Burping a baby is an important step in ensuring that they are comfortable and can properly digest their food. Here are a few techniques for burping a baby. The traditional burping position. Hold the baby upright on your shoulder, with their head resting on your shoulder, and their stomach pressed against your chest. Gently pat or rub the baby's back until they burp. Another technique is to hold the baby in a sitting position on your lap, with their head supported by your hand and their chin resting on your shoulder. Gently pat or rub their back until they burp. Some babies prefer to be burped while they are lying down. Place the baby on their back and gently rub, or pat their back until they burp. You can also try the football hold, which is a position where you hold the baby on their side or stomach across your forearm, with their head supported by your hand, as this can be particularly helpful for newborns or babies with reflux. It's important to note that not all babies burp easily and some may not need to be burped at all. If your baby is content and not showing signs of discomfort, there's no need to force a burp. In general, burping is an important step to do after each feeding, as it helps to release any trapped gas. This can prevent discomfort, colic, and spitting up, and this should be done gently and with patience. It's also important to note that some babies may take a little longer to burp, so don't get discouraged if it takes a few minutes for your baby to